Ta-dum, dum, ta-dum. Ta-dum, dum, ta-dum. It's time for a message from the future. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a message from the future. And in today's video we are going to talk about something I found on the website GearBest. Oh wait, no, there was somebody who told me, but nevertheless, doesn't matter. One thing is for sure, we have a new ultimate mini machine from a friend from China. This is from the brand Ragebee. Yeah, Ragebee. Who came with these names? Ragebee. I want a Ragebee. I want a Ragebee. I want a 1G1000. But yeah, alright, so I did a review about the G1000 and I don't know if you've seen it, don't forget to check it out. The G1000 is a great mini portable device that runs on basically on Android, and that is pretty cool. It's a machine from the future. So they have released a new version and we're going to talk about it. It's coming in, it's on its way, and we are going to talk a little bit about it. So we're not going to watch the GearBest video itself, but we're going to talk about, let's scroll, let's give some bigger size, and we're going to talk about the measurements and all the information on the device. So basically it runs on Android. It doesn't say here, but I can already tell you. It's got a 7-inch screen. It's basically the same like the G1000, so I was curious what are the biggest differences. And I got an itchy on my nose. Right, so it's USB charged. Let's see, charging time, and it's got even a runtime for 12 hours. And I know for sure that, or for a fact, that it's better than the G1000. It comes in two colors. I personally really prefer the red version. Here we have some images about the support. It's got a built-in battery, so pretty cool. You can use it like a portable arcade machine and plug controls like the Neo Geo Mini. It's got a 4000 milliamps, so that's pretty damn huge for a device like this. And let's see, let's take a close look at the back. We're having two USB connections. The only question will be, can this thing, or can this device be used with, let's say, Xbox 360 controllers? Something we need to find out. I can already tell you G1000 is very limited. There are not a lot of products or controllers are working. So the funny thing is, if you want to put it in an arcade machine or the main board, that is possible because some of these controller boards are compatible with it. So it's more like a gamble. HDMI output like the G1000, so it's really cool. On and off switch. This is really funny that they did some comparisons with the, let's say, the G1000, because if you look at the differences, this one, the Ragebee says we're having 10 emulator programs and the G1000 got 8. So basically that is something that is very naughty, because it's not true. Because if you look at the Ragebee, you can see it has PlayStation 1, but the G1000 supports it too, even N64. And the N64 doesn't run very well, so forget about that part. But the PlayStation 1 runs pretty good on this thing. So I'm guessing they both run on the Android device. Looks a little bit different if you look at the menu, but basically it's all the same. There is also something that I'm very curious about. This one has a slightly bigger resolution, so this means I'm guessing the games will look a little bit better. Who knows? We need to compare, and as you can see, it got a bigger battery. Alright, so I just want to do this with somebody who was very satisfied, left a feedback. So just wanted to do this quick chit chat. The channel going to review, or I'm going to review this product because it's on its way, it's in transit. I'm very curious what we're going to get. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you're interested in the product and don't want to wait for the review. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell, because you get notified for upcoming Wicked content. And let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Do you already own the G1000? And if you may be thinking of G1000, what shall we do? I think the G1000, the buttons they are using here are a little bit different, more like this arcade clicky, when I say clickish, but more like the arcade feeling buttons, really funny. I'm guessing this one just basically got this cheap clicky button. Both got the Wicked Wiggle stick, so that will be not a big of a difference. So yeah, concludes this video. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time. Bye bye. and let's go.